Hey everyone, we're here at STVT McAllen's location where we are learning all about the great things that you can do while learning how to become a medical assistant. And here to tell us all about that is our program director, Juan Cerda himself. Juan, thank you so much for having us here today. Now tell us, for everyone out there that's maybe wanting to become a medical assistant, why should they choose STVT?
STVT offers a lot of hands-on experience. So with this program, they will have all the knowledge that is required for them to work basically at any clinic.
Now, if someone's had the interest and maybe they're watching right now and saying, you know what, I want to go to STVT. You mentioned something about a schedule that kind of is very flexible for students.
Yes, of course. They have classes, which is the morning, nights. It's really flexible for the students. Like actually works with the work schedule, they can continue going to work, and it's flexible.
And now classes are offered every 5 weeks?
Yes, every 5 weeks we have enrollments.
Now, Mr. Cerda, for people that are watching right now and saying, you know what, I'm ready to become a medical assistant, how do they go about maybe registering, or what do those classes look like?
They have enrollments every 5 weeks, and the classes we offer in the morning and nights. It's really flexible for the students, so that way they can continue working and at the same time attending to school.
And what would you say is something that is really special about STVT when it comes to the hands-on experience?
It's really special because we implement hands-on experience on every single class that they take. So once they're correct and they finish the program, they're able to perform every single skill that's required for them to work on the field.
Amazing. Well, you know, I think a great thing that we should mention is that you are also a product of STVT.
That is correct, yes.
Now, tell me a little bit about what that experience was like for you.
I went to STVT West Local years back, graduated from the program, went to the field, get my experience, and that's when I came back to STVT McAllen to be an instructor, to be able to give back everything that I learned, pass on the knowledge to the future MCAs.
And now as a program director, I mean, what advice do you have for students out there, future students out there that might be saying, you know what, it's time for that life change?
This is life-changing, and it is a stepping stone. It's a stepping stone, and it is doable.
Now, right now, we have some of the students doing a little bit of what you're instructing. So when people join, I mean, how long is the class, and what will they be learning here?
The class, well, some of the skills that they perform, they're vitals. They start with vitals. They have venipunctures, they have glucose check, EKGs, removing sutures, a little bit of everything. That way they can be able to work at any clinic.
And why should people choose STVT?
Once again, I would like to repeat it. This is the hands-on experience. They will be fully knowledgeable, not only by the book, but on hands skills.
And if you're wanting to register today or see when the next registration is, make sure you visit STVT online to get that info and start your clinical experience today. For Take 5, I'm Brandon Rubalcaba. We'll catch you guys next time.